And in today's episode, I'm going to introduce you to some simple concepts and steps if you want to incorporate intermittent fasting into your lifestyle. So as mentioned in previous videos, intermittent fasting is an excellent tool to incorporate into your lifestyle, especially if you want to lose weight. And it's actually something that I use to lose over 3.5 stone, over 50 pounds in 12 months. Personally, that's my own transformation journey. However, there's a lot more to intermittent fasting and the benefits go beyond just weight loss. I mean, it'll help to reduce inflammation in the body. It'll also encourage a healthy control of insulin and glucose levels within your body as well. It's very good for cell renewal and cell rejuvenation. And there are many more health benefits. So although you might initially think that you want to lose weight and that's why you want to incorporate intermittent fasting into your lifestyle, you will find that you will experience many more health benefits. So it's definitely worth giving a go. And also what you'll find is that when you first start, you'll feel like that you can't actually do for a very long period of time because you feel like you're going without food. But I highly recommend that you start off with a 12-hour fast. The majority of your 12-hour fast will be when you're asleep. So for instance, if you finish your last meal at 7 p.m. in the evening, then don't have anything to eat all rest of the evening and all night, and then have something the next day. Maybe go a little bit later till you have something to eat. Start eating maybe at 10:30 or something. Work out your 12 hours. You'll find that you quite easily have done your 12 hours because during that 12-hour window, you've been asleep. So this is a great way, if you're a beginner, to introduce yourself to intermittent fasting, and you won't find it such a shock to the system. Now, the other thing is, intermittent fasting works because you're not eating. So you're giving your insulin and glucose levels a rest and letting the body do what it's supposed to do with what it's already got. And the whole idea is that you don't want to go crazy eating. You don't want to go crazy eating all day. I mean, if you're eating, say if you actually fast for 12 hours and then you go crazy binging eating, it's still not going to be as effective as it would be if you kind of discipline yourself with what you eat for the rest of the day. There's no way that you need to eat 6 meals. So this is a real misconception. And at one point in my career as a health and wellbeing coach, as a personal trainer, I used to encourage all my clients that you've got to keep grazing on food, you've got to keep your metabolism high, keep eating. But that's not the right way to do it. You don't want to keep eating all the time. You want to give your body a break and let your body use what it's already got. Let it go in there and look for the fat that you already got so it can burn off that fat. And it's important because what you'll find is as you become more fat adapted, intermittent fasting becomes a lot easier. I mean, at the beginning, you will find it's quite challenging because all you can think about is food. Because your pattern and habits are so used to eating. And when I mean eating, not big meals, you could be used to eating a few little snacks here and there. But we want all that to go. Because with intermittent fasting, we don't really want to eat anything at all during our period of a fast. And it does become easier. You need to ease yourself into it gently. And I'm going to have some videos coming up that are going to explain to you how you can perhaps make your fast a little bit longer and ease yourself into it smoothly. So it's not so much as a shock to your system, or you don't feel deprived, or you don't actually feel like you're doing something. It's just a part of your lifestyle. It's just, you're not going to eat all day long because what's the point? Why do you need to eat all day? You don't need to eat all day. We as a society, we tend to eat a lot as it is. We eat a lot more than what our ancestors, our grandparents are used to eating. So that actually goes to show you as well the increases of obesity as well over the years. If you look at all the research which I will be sharing with you, you will see that this has only really happened since we've been kind of consuming food constantly. So you don't need to eat all day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Lots more to come in the following episodes on intermittent fasting, weight loss and other health and wellbeing tips. If you enjoyed this episode and you enjoyed the channel so far, please do think about subscribing. It would really help my channel. And also hit that bell notification so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. And if you would like some tips on how to incorporate a health and well-being into your lifestyle, then please download the wellness guide, which is completely free. The links are below this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.